It was the year, I think, 94, 95 when the earthquake came at Bhuj. We called all the engineers before the earthquake and told them, I want that this refinery should stand before the earthquake with a Richter scale of 9. Everybody thought the बुढ़ा पागल हो गया। 9 का तो कभी earthquake आया ही नहीं। He said nothing doing. 9 to make the foundation. They said, sir, 9 Richter scale पे बनाएंगे तो we may have to put in 9,000 crore rupees extra. He said 12,000 crore डालो, मुझे नहीं पता, but ये 9 Richter scale. Even his son Mukesh, who had done MTech in chemical engineering from Massachusetts, Anil from Stanford MBA, they were both against him. कि 2,000 करोड़ डाल के फाउंडेशन बना के रिफाइनरी चला देते हैं, इतना पैसा क्यों लगाना? They didn't talk to the father for nearly 10-20 days, and he told the engineers, चेयरमैन रिलायंस का मैं हूं, मुकेश या अनिल नहीं है, ये 9 Richter स्केल पे ही बनेगी. And then after a few days, a few years, when earthquake of 7.2 had struck Gujarat, epicenter Bhuj, रिफाइनरी वैसे की वैसे खड़ी रही. जहाज उलट गए, क्रैक्स आ गए बिल्डिंग्स में, बिल्डिंग्स गिर गई, many people lost their life, but Reliance Petroleum Refinery stood as it is. बंदा वहां भी नहीं रुका कि भैया रिफाइनरी बना ली, अभी तो बैठ जा. He said nothing doing. ये तेल कहां से आता है? Now the Reliance bought oil wells, Krishna Godavari basin in India, in Russia, in US, Venezuela, Peru, Chile. They have their oil wells. They bring out the oil from there, use it over there. You see the perception of a person. कपड़े से धागे तक, धागे से पेट्रोलियम तक, उसके आगे सोच. हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, क्यों पढ़ते हैं? To gain knowledge and then to utilize that knowledge for action. So this is very important, and we started with 100 rupees. सिर्फ into 10 to the power 12 किया, into 10 to the power 12 किया. When he died, Reliance was 7,600 crores, and now it is 1,24,000 crores. You see how many years have passed? They might have been 1,50,000 crores, but the vision and to do the things, and 1,000 rupees which people gave to Dhirubhai Ambani was 1 crore in 1990, and today what could be the cost of 1,000 rupees shares in Reliance? Earlier the Reliance share was 300 or so, and now 2,500. Clear? And the cost of 1,000 is nearly 25 crores. जिस बंदे ने 1,000 रुपया दिया था उस समय 25 करोड़ आज की डेट में. हम लोग सर्विस करते हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स भी सर्विस करते होंगे. पैसा They say money makes the mayor go. If you have money, ethical money, everything is there for you. So, think about the lives of these people, starting from zero, scratch, reaching to that level. Next, sir. Lakshmi Mittal, Bharti Airtel, sorry, Mittal Arsenal, 40% of the world's steel he manufactures. He doesn't have the steel plant in India only, has a steel plant in France, UK, America, African countries. His life is also very critical, a very introvert chap. BCom from President College, Calcutta. Basically belonged to Rajasthan. कबाड़ियों का काम करते थे, family. They bought a iron and steel plant in Zimbabwe. His grandfather told him to go over there and collect the scrap and sell it. The moment he went over there, the people gathered कि सर हम यहाँ नौकरी करते थे, अगर ये भी बेच दोगे तो हम तो गए. Then he said, let me see in the morning. He went into the plant, saw the plant, changed the process, old process, because iron is derived from hematite and magnetite, Fe2O3 and Fe3O4. So, he changed the people over there, and that plant started running in profit. Then there were a lot of plants who were going in loss in Europe,